Good morning, children. This is class 4 social studies, and in today's video we are going to take chapter number 8, maps. Okay, although we have already discussed in Zoom class, but today you will study this chapter through video. Okay, now from here we will see the definition of the map. What map is called? Map. A map is a drawing of a part of the earth on a flat surface. Maps can be of different sizes. Maps show plains, valleys, continents, countries, cities, etc. What is the meaning of this? A map is a drawing of a part of the earth on a flat surface. You must have seen maps on a big size maps also, which we hang on the wall also, and in the atlas. Okay, now maps can be of different sizes. Maps कई तरह के कई different sizes के हो सकते हैं, small, big. ठीक है. And what actually maps show? They show plains, मैदान, valleys, then continents, different all the continents which are found in the world, then countries within the continents, and in the countries cities. ठीक है. The art of map making is called cartography. The person who this art of map making is called cartography. A person who makes maps is known as cartographer. The person who makes maps is called cartographer. You must remember these two words, cartography and carto. You can break it into this word into two words different. Carto plus graphy. Cartographer. A book or a collection of maps is called an atlas. Where there is a big collection of different maps, continents, physical maps, and political maps and all, that is called collection of. It is like a book. You must have seen it, and if you have not seen it, just ask your elder brother. If you have anyone who is studying in the bigger class than you, upper class, you can ask that child to show you the atlas if you have not seen it. Okay, now we will see types of maps. How many types of maps are there? We will study. Maps can be of many types. कई टाइप के मैप्स होते हैं. ठीक है. Number 1, physical maps. These maps represent the physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, lakes, etc. The maps which show all these physical features such as mountain, plateaus, plains, rivers, lakes, etc. are called physical maps. ठीक है. And number 2, political maps. Second one is political map. These maps show the political boundaries of each country and states along with their capitals and their important cities. You can see political maps in atlas also. Atlas में political on one page you will find physical map, on the other page you will find political map of the same continent, okay, or same country. Okay, this map show political boundaries कि वो boundary कहाँ से कहाँ तक है उस country की या उस continent की. And in the country you will see the country is which is divided by the states of the outline maps. Okay, अलग अलग शो किया कि इतनी ये स्टेट है, इतनी ये स्टेट है, ऐसी इस तरह से. Along with their and the capital is shown, and the important cities are also shown in the country with the states. Okay. Now you come to page number 48. Next page you will see this is the map of the world, whole world. All the continents are here, and this is a rough type of map. एक rough idea आपको बताने के लिए इन्होंने दे रखा है. It is called a physical map. We can say इसमें सब the physical features are shown with the different colors. Okay, we will study it now after this. Now the third part is thematic maps. This is the third type of map. These maps give us specific information such as distribution of rainfall, population, minerals, crops, etc. of an area. So the thematic maps show all these this sort of map give us important information about any area कि वहाँ पे किस टाइप की पॉपुलेशन है, कितनी पॉपुलेशन है, थिक है या कम है, रेनफॉल कैसी है वहाँ की, मिनरल्स क्या पाए जाते हैं, क्रॉप्स क्या वहाँ पे पैदा होती हैं ऑफ एन स्पेसिफिक एरिया. ओके, नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंटेंट्स ऑफ ए मैप वी मस्ट बी एबल टू रीड इट. हमें पता होना चाहिए कि मैप्स जो हैं वो क्या शो करते हैं, किस तरह से हम उसको समझें, देखें. वेरियस साइंस, सिम्बल्स एंड कलर्स आर यूज्ड इन ए मैप टू शो लेक्स, रिवर्स, सिटीज़ एक्सेट्रा. और वेरियस साइंस मतलब चिन्ह जिसको कहते हैं, निशान, वो शो किए जाते हैं मैप में. और कलर्स, डिफरेंट कलर्स आर यूज्ड टू शो लेक्स, रिवर्स, सिटीज़ की सिटीज़ अलग अलग फीचर्स शो करने के लिए अलग अलग कलर यूज़ किए जाते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट द कलर्स ऑफ द मैप. कौन कौन से कलर्स यूज़ होते हैं, ठीक है, टू शो डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ द मैप. ओके, नाउ यू सी कलर्स ऑफ द मैप. नाउ सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. Seas, oceans, lakes, big rivers are shown in blue. These all are water bodies. Okay, sea, समुद्र, oceans, ocean का मतलब ही समुद्री है यहाँ पे. sea थोड़ा छोटा मान लेते हैं, oceans are bigger. Then lakes, झीलें जितनी हैं वो, and rivers. These all are water bodies. They are shown with a blue. Then pale blue color is used to show shallow areas. जो थोड़े shallow areas हैं, माने कि जो गहरे नहीं हैं, हल्के हैं, बहुत गहराई नहीं है उनमें, वो पेल ब्लू कलर, हल्का नीले रंग से दिखाए जाते हैं, पेल ब्लू. ठीक है, एंड डार्क ब्लू इज़ यूज टू शो डीप एरियाज़. जो डीप ओशंस हैं वो डार्क ब्लू से शो किए जाते हैं, डार्क ब्लू. ठीक है, टू गहराई पानी की दिखाने के लिए डार्क ब्लू कलर इज़ यूज. ग्रीन कलर इज़ यूज टू शो लो लाइंग एरियाज़ और प्लेन्स. ग्रीन कलर से क्या शो करता है, प्लेन्स को स्पेशली. ठीक है, मैदान, हरे भरे मैदान है जो वो हरे रंग से, ग्रीन कलर से दिखाए जाते हैं. जैसे ये मान के कि उसके पास घास है, वो डेजर्ट नहीं है, वो माउंटेन नहीं, वो नहीं है, प्लेटो नहीं है. सो इट इज़ शोन, ऑलवेज शोन विद अ ग्रीन कलर प्लेन्स. देन येलो कलर इज़ यूज फॉर डेजर्ट्स. In a physical map, yellow colors are used to show the desert part. Desert, you know, रेगिस्तानी एरिया जहाँ पे बालू ही बालू, सैंड ही सैंड हो, बालू बालू हो. ठीक है, एंड लाइट ब्राउन कलर इज़ यूज टू शो लैंड हायर देन द लो लैंड. लाइट ब्राउन जो है वो बहुत लोअर लैंड से थोड़े ऊंचे, हायर प्लेसेस जो हैं वो उनसे दिखाया जाता है. और द प्लेटोज. ठीक है, प्लेटो, वी कैन रफली से कि ब्राउन कलर इज यूज टू show plateaus. We have studied about the plateau in the previous chapter. And deep brown color indicates mountain. Deep brown color shows or indicates high mountains. Okay, so this is the color, all are the colors. If we study these colors, we can easily come to know. If we have a look at the photograph of any map, either it is map of the world or map of a continent, we can know about the physical features in a physical map of any area. Okay, now one more thing which is important is directions. When we study about the map, we should have the knowledge of the directions. Direction क्या, दिशाएं. ठीक है, there are 4 main directions or cardinal points: north, south, east, west. वी ऑल नो हमारी 4 मेन दिशाएँ होती हैं, ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ वी कैन से. ठीक है, यू कैन सी द मैप ऑफ इंडिया हियर. ओके, ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल स्टडी अबाउट इट, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द डायरेक्शंस इन दिस मैप. ओके, ए मैप shows north at the top of the page. It is here, north is here. Okay, south at the bottom, south area is this. Okay, then west on the left, west side is left पे है, and east on the right side. If we are studying map, then we can see the direction in this way. Okay, right hand side. Okay, if there is a map in front of us, हमारे सामने मैप है तो हम इस तरह से इसको देखेंगे. नॉर्थ ऑन द टॉप, साउथ ऑन द बॉटम, west on our left hand and east on our right hand. Then there are 4 subdirections also. Now you see there are some areas which come in between of the 2 main directions. Okay, I can explain you like this. ठीक है, I can explain you through this map. Here the areas which come between the north and east are called northeast. It is like this. ठीक है. Then the areas which come between the south and east are called southeast. Then the areas which come between the south and west are called southwest direction, and the areas which come in between the north and west are called northwest direction. ठीक है. So altogether we have main 4 directions: east, west, north, south, and 4 subdirections. Okay, have you understood now? ये हमने एरो से आपको समझा दिया है. The same thing is written here. Okay, I will read from this only, then I will close this video. A map shows north at the top, south at the bottom, west on the left side and east on the right side. There are 4 subdirections also. The north is the halfway between the north and east, as I told you. ये बीच का area northeast. Similarly, there is northwest. Northwest is on this side, this one, this area between the north and west. Then southeast, this area, ठीक है, and southwest, this southwest, this area which comes between the south and the west. Knowledge of direction is very important for astronauts in space, sailors at sea, and pilots in the air. The people who go or travel in the air or by the sea should have a very accurate knowledge of direction, which is important for the astronauts. Astronauts कौन होते हैं? जो कि स्पेस में जाते हैं, ऊपर की वो करने के लिए, स्टडी करने के लिए. एस्ट्रोनॉट्स इन द स्पेसशिप में जाते हैं, स्पेस क्राफ्ट में जाते हैं, वी कैन से. उनके लिए है कि बिकॉज दे नो विच वे दे आर गोइंग, इन विच डायरेक्शन दे आर गोइंग. देन द सेलर कौन होते हैं? नाविक, जो कि पानी के जहाज़ को चलाते हैं, शिप को जो चलाते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड सेलर्स. They should also have the knowledge because they travel for many days on the water. वो किस डायरेक्शन में, किस कॉन्टिनेंट की तरफ जा रहे हैं, किस कंट्री की तरफ जा रहे हैं. There is water all over. These big oceans are there. Then pilots in the air, those who are operating the aeroplane should also have a knowledge कि उन्हें which city they have to go or which country they have to go. They should have a accurate knowledge about the डायरेक्शंस ऑल्सो कि किस दिशा में उनको अपने जहाज़ को उड़ाना है, किस विच वे दे हैव टू गो इफ़ दे आर ऑपरेट करना माने उसको चलाना. ओके, चला रहे हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. ओके, दिस ओके.